Hi everyone, I'm Elle, and today I wanted to share what I got for Christmas in 2022. I know it's kind of late to do this video, but I had the time and I've been watching those videos a lot because I'm really nosy, so I thought it'd be kind of fun to share what I got. And so I usually don't receive luxury stuff for Christmas. I just get that for myself. And then everybody else I am lucky enough to get really thoughtful gifts. So I guess I'll share that because it'd be kind of fun for myself to kind of look back and hear what I got over the years. But yeah, so what I got for myself is this really beautiful Lady Dior in the holiday collection. This is the pattern that it came in. It's so gorgeous. I still can't get over it. And any chance I have to talk about this pretty bag, I will. So I have a whole separate video of unboxing it. But yeah, it's just so pretty. And I can't get over it still. I have literally just used this one time on Christmas Day to my grandma's house. But I am definitely going to baby this a little more than I do with my other bags. And this is what I got myself for Christmas. I always use Christmas as an excuse to get a new bag or something fun. And this year this is what I got for myself, and it is just so pretty. It's like such a work of art, and I'm definitely going to baby this and use this on special occasions. Like, I'm all for using my bags, but this one is definitely one that I will be very cognizant and picky about using. But yeah, stunning, so pretty. And I'll put it right over here in the corner. And of course, I'm going to share the pretty packaging because I still can't get over it. But yeah, ta-da! There's the pretty packaging that it came in, and my sad looking bow that I tried to retie. But yeah, I will put this over here so I can stare at it in the viewfinder, if not for you, for myself. But yeah, I'm super happy that I got that this year for myself. I know it's very silly, but yeah, that's the only luxury gift that I got this year. The next gift that I got was my super thoughtful parents got me these AirPod Maxes in the green color, and I've already been using them and I love them so much. I really love the color, and I have the regular AirPods that I use at work, and that's what I use all the time, but sometimes those irritate my ears a lot. So yeah, I'm super grateful that they got these for me. They usually are really good with their gift giving. Usually gifts are more of like a kid thing, like we get them for kids in our family, but yeah, my parents usually pick out a really nice gift. So that's what I got this year. And then my mom also got me this gorgeous robe that's in the wash right now, but it's beautiful, lush robe. And she also got my partner this really comfy blanket. My mom loves getting comfy stuff for Christmas for everybody, so my mom got my partner this really comfy blanket that matches our new couch. She got it for him, but of course I'm the one that's using it. But yeah, super grateful for my parents for that. And then they made this beautiful dinner for my brother and my partner and his partner, and then they always throw like an annual New Year's party. So yeah, I am so grateful for them and for that. And then let's see, my partner, so we went to Disneyland this year, and we don't go to Disneyland a lot, but when we do, we go all out. And my partner is so sweet. He got me, okay, this is very childish, and let me preface this, and we don't usually buy stuff like this, but I thought it was so sweet of him because I thought that these were so cute, and he got me this huge like cupcake pillow thing of Mickey as a I guess a cinnamon, no, not cinnamon, peppermint cupcake kind of thing. And I thought it was so cute, and I thought it was so funny that he got it for me because he always thinks that these are like a waste of space. And I completely agree with him. But yeah, I thought it was so cute that he got this for me when we were there, because we were there around Christmas time, and I love going there around Christmas time, but we as a couple have never been there around Christmas time out of all the years we've been together. So yeah, I thought that was so sweet of him to get me this because I know how silly he thinks it is. Like, he thinks it's cute, but we would never fill our house with stuff like this, but because he thinks it's a waste of space. But yes, so glad that he got this for me. It's so cute. And he also got me the Stitch as a gingerbread. So cute. It's so silly now that I look at it. But Stitch always reminds us of our dog, so I thought that was really cute that he got me these two guys, and they're huge and a waste of space and seasonal. So yeah, I don't know where I'm gonna store these things, but I thought that was really sweet of him. And he also got me this puzzle. Yeah, Stitch reminds us of our dog, so and we like doing puzzles, so occasionally we will get a fun Disney puzzle, so that's the one that we got when we were there. And it's so funny because he was like, that's you and that's our dog. So yeah, that's what he got me. And he also got me, this is so sweet of him, he's so thoughtful and he's like so sweet, he got me tickets to a couple of concerts that are going on this year. So Taylor Swift is going on tour, so he got me and my best friend tickets to see Taylor Swift. We're super excited, and it was so funny because he was like, I will give up my seat to let your best friend go. So I thought that was so sweet of him. So yes, we're going to see Taylor Swift later this year and make a trip out of it. And that was so sweet of him. And then he also got me tickets to see Paramore. I was supposed to see them last year, but then something happened, so I didn't get to see them, and I was super sad about it. But yeah, he got me tickets to see Paramore, and I love that he did that. He's so thoughtful. So yeah, I'm super excited to see Paramore and Taylor Swift as my Christmas gifts, but I love going to concerts, and that was just so thoughtful of him. And he also got well, I guess he didn't get this. I picked this out when we were at Disneyland, but I picked out a little ornament. Every year we add 1 or 2 ornaments to our tree that kind of remind us of the year. So since we went to Disneyland this year, we got this little Stitch to add to our tree because it reminds us of our dog. And then yeah, every year we add a ornament. My friends got me really funny gifts that I'm not going to share on here. Oh, and then my boyfriend's family, they are so sweet. They all live in Hawaii, and they got us a whole bunch of snacks, and I was super sweet of them because that's all I want every year is just a bunch of snacks from Hawaii. And I can't share those because we ate them already, but they're also so sweet. They always give me these little packing things that like these little travel pouches. So they got me that, and then this little fanny pack for when you go to the beach and you don't want to get your nice stuff all dirty. So they got me these waterproof pouches and like this fanny pack, and they're just so thoughtful and so sweet. And then I got a bunch of gift cards from them, and my boyfriend's family got me and my boyfriend some gift cards for our home. So sweet of them. And then my brother got me and my partner some gift cards so that we can get some nice stuff from Williams Sonoma, and he's more of the cook, so I let him take the role on that. But yeah, I think that's mostly what I got for Christmas. But yeah, I'm just so grateful for all my friends and family, and I'm just so happy to enjoy time with them, and you know, just have like all these little thoughtful things. But yeah, that's what I got for Christmas. But yeah, let me know what you got for Christmas and what's your favorite part about Christmas. I love gatherings and seeing everybody and seeing people's faces when I show that when we pick out like some really thoughtful gift for them. That I just love that so much. And then let me put these guys back into the frame. But yeah, I hope everybody has had a happy holidays and a great year, and yeah, bye.